Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to join a class using a class code on Google Classroom. First of all, launch open Google Classroom application or website and log into your account first. Once you're logged in from the home page, you will be able to see a plus button at the bottom right. Tap on that. Now, you will see two different options that says Join Class or Create Class. Tap on Join Class. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your class code. Your teacher must have provided you a class code. Simply type it down in the text box. Make sure you type it down exactly as it appears and then click on Join at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will then be a part of a class. You can access assignments, announcements, and class materials right from Google Classroom. That's how you successfully join a class using a class code on Google Classroom. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.